Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and Zip archives on your Motorola Edge 30 using app called RAR. So first of all, you will need to download and install this app, which we've shown how to do it in our other video. Now locate the files that you want to unpack. Mine is located in the CIM and then camera. Here's the pictures.rar, which I'm gonna unpack. Now if you want to unpack it, you can already press on this button and then on the arrow pointing up button. That way you will unpack entire archive. You can also select the file, and after that the file is protected by password, so we need to enter the password. Click OK. You will enter this archive and have access to all the files. Now you can select each file that you want to unpack, or if you want to unpack everything, don't select any, simply click that same button, enter password, browse, and here you'll be able to pick where the files will go. So I want mine in the movies. Click OK to save that. You can change the option for unpacking, like ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files, do not extract paths or display extracted files. Now click OK in order to unpack it. Now we can move to the movies folder. And here's the 3 files that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.